Hey, what's going on? This is a quick message from the team at Web Property Solutions. We wanted to just shoot this intro video for you and give you a quick overview of who we are, what our mission is, and what we're all about, right? We're all about digital marketing for the local business owner that pretty much doesn't have the same access to tools and resources like the big guys do. So we're going to dedicate our channel to providing tips, tricks, hacks, quick down and dirty strategies, things that you can apply to your business, right? Whether it be advertising, website design, Facebook ads, what do certain things mean, where the industry is going, anything having to do with digital marketing. We want to pretty much put it out there and connect with local business owners that are local to our offices, but also local in the sense of online, right? If you have any questions, you can comment on one of our videos and we'll be more than happy to reach out. But this is a quick overview of our home site. It's our homepage, which is webpropertysolutions.com. And we pretty much just go over, digital research, how to conduct that for your business. We're going to drop videos about paid advertising, your marketing hub, how to scale your business with digital systems. We have testimonials. We have videos here. What we go through social media, Google Maps, websites. And we just want to focus a lot of this strategy around the local business owner who maybe doesn't have access to, like I said, things that bigger businesses do, right? And there's a lot of strategies that are cost efficient strategies, tips and tricks. And we take this and we hope that our channel is a source for you, and hopefully you can come back and use it as a tool for your business. And now our team at Web Property Solutions does have experience. We're not just jumping on here like talking smack and getting hypey, but we do have between 8 to 10 years of digital marketing experiences. We've run national campaigns, local campaigns. We've built websites. We've run Google advertising, Facebook advertising. We do it. You name it, we do it. So, we just want to help business leaders like yourself get connected with the right resources that you need, and you may be lacking at an affordable cost. And sometimes we'll share strategies that are free, like you can just go out and do. And of course, you'll have other videos online and on YouTube that are similar to what we offer, but we hope that our focus for you is we just hope that we just provide some value for you guys, and hopefully this channel is that source for you. So just wanted to drop this intro video. Check out our site if you can and let us know what you think, and we hope to connect with you guys soon.